Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In today's video, I will show you how to fix live wallpaper not working on Android problem. So let's get started. There are many times you might notice that your live wallpaper isn't showing or working on your lock screen. Don't worry, this happens to a lot of Android users, and it could be due to a few different reasons. First, check if your Android device is compatible with 4K live wallpapers. Some older or budget Android phones don't support high-resolution or animated wallpapers. If that's the case, unfortunately, live wallpapers just won't work properly on that device. The second reason could be your privacy settings. Sometimes, Android blocks third-party apps from changing wallpapers or showing animations on the lock screen. To fix this, go to your phone's settings, then Privacy and Permissions. Make sure the live wallpaper app you're using has permission to run in the background and modify system settings. Now, if none of those work, you can try another app. There's a lot of apps on Play Store. And that's it for today's video. Hopefully, your live wallpapers are now working. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.